Okay, boys and girls, now today I'm going to try to show you how to do a split screen so that you can do this Flipgrid and read it and do your video at the same time. Okay, so the first thing I need us to do is split our screen with this one. So we're going to hit up here in this corner, we're going to hit this reduce button. Okay, do you see how it made the screen smaller? Then we're going to use this arrow and we can scoot it over. All right, now let's open our Flipgrid. Okay, we're going to try to pick it up. Yeah, see, it's going to let us scoot it over. I can pick up this tab and move it over here. Okay, so now I could read from here, go ahead and get my Flipgrid open. Now it may take you flipping around a minute to be able to get it open, okay? And be able to get to where there's the button to start your video, all right? So you would be able to have your video here while you're reading here. Okay, you'll have to do your allow, all right? Then you should be able to fix your video. I do want to see your face while you're reading your fluency. So you're just going to sit here and you're going to read. But when the Battle of Troy broke out and Achilles went to fight, the very thing his mother had tried to prevent happened during a siege on the city. One fateful arrow pierced his heel, his only mortal part, killing him. Okay, so boys and girls, you are trying to, let me go ahead and stop that. Well, actually, that was just starting it. Okay, so you know how to make this work, but let's stop that. You're practicing your phrasing on this. You're practicing your pausing where there's commas. You can do this one. Just don't have lots of different videos. Redo your video. Okay, so we'll say restart, but I want a complete video with all of it on there. Okay, all right.